All right, y'all. So today I'm going to be trying out this much talked about product. I know it's a bit old, but I wasn't too excited about it at first, and I was like, why not? Why not? So this is the Huda. What is this called? Nymph, not your mother's pantyhose. But I've been seeing a lot of people use it on their face as like a highlight, bronzer, glow amplifying, what have you. So that's why I was interested in trying it. My boyfriend is looking at me like, what is on your face right now? So yeah, I just wanted to give it a try to see how well it amplified my face, because it's summer. You want to have like that glow from within, bronzy type of look going on. So I'm just gonna do a makeup look with this, and then I'll tell you how I feel about it at the end. I know it does look like I have a lot of makeup on here, and I probably do. Using a product like this, like, I wouldn't say this is something you want to use with like a super light, lightweight natural look. Like, if you're gonna use something like this, you need to go for the full glam. I much prefer the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder for baking under my eyes. I love the Fenty setting powder. You guys know that's like one of my everyday favorites. But I'm not baking every day. When I bake like this and I need to like really brighten under my eyes, like the Fenty leaves it a little too cakey looking for me. And it really like looks dry under my eyes when I use the Fenty. The Laura Mercier is just right. So if you have that issue with the Fenty, you might want to give the Laura Mercier powder a try. So this is basically it, y'all. This is the finished look I got. Honestly, I don't feel like it made that much of a difference in my makeup for me to say, you know, this is a must-have or something I can't live without. I do feel like I look glowy, but it's not something I couldn't achieve with just like a regular bronzer or highlight. So it's completely up to you guys. I just wanted to give it a try, but do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Niara Alexis and subscribe to my channel here. And that is all, and I will see you guys next time.